Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix could not create account. Your account cannot be created at this time. So guys, if you're trying to create an account for you on your Apple device but you're facing this issue and you are unable to create account, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen. And now you have to simply open settings in your device and then scroll it below and tap on general. Tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. And then scroll it below and tap on date and time and set your date and time from here. Then go back and tap on language and region. Tap on region and select your country or region correctly. Then go back and now tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. And then you have to simply make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to open any browser and then search for appleid.apple.com. Here you can see this, appleid.apple.com. And now tap on this small arrow button. And now tap on create your Apple account. And now create your Apple account using this website. So guys, here you can see all the information. Put all the information here and try to create your Apple ID using this website. And if you still face this problem, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.